Supreme love. My love is touching all creation with warmth of tenderest feelings, returning to self in self-adoration, lover and loved congealing into oneness, then spreading apart for love to always flow as streams from a melted heart, where a knower loves to know self as untainted love itself, for self is love divine. Supreme love in silence dwells, knower and known entwined. Lover, loving, loved, entwined in lovingness, know deepest intimacy, where one is the other in tender beingness, ever united in ecstasy. In unity, Trinity sweetly conceives love true and pure. No need to give or receive, in eternal love secured. Then love loves for loving's sake, as a flower that blooms, flowing endlessly as river to lake. Self-love is never consumed. To love oneself is to love everything, all life sweetly embraced, self-sufficient and free I sing, overflowing in supreme love's grace.